In this video, we will discuss how to play external removable storage media files on Xbox using Scorpio Player app. Let's open the app. Normally, you can click this button to load a particular file to play. However, there is another way. Instead of opening the File Explorer every time, you can click this favorite icon and select Add to Play an external folder. Choose the desired folder, such as a TV in series folder, and select it. That's it. Select the folder and you're good to go. Now let's test it. Just save the changes and click on the respective buttons. You can now open the file without needing to access the File Explorer. Just select the file and play. Thank you for watching. See you next time.